It's that time! Happy New Year! I have a new shipment and I opened up the box and threw my gloves on and we are ready to go through and see all the new goodies for the new year. Let's go see! Okay, more foundation brushes. Yay! We have more Jazz Black pencils. These are the black pencils with the glitter in them. They are so pretty. Flutter lip pencil. Peachy, bronzy, gorgeous, love it. We have metallic taupe pencil. Oh, I can't wait to use this on my eyes. I actually have one tester and it's this beautiful bronze, it's gorgeous. And then we have very nude lip pencil. I've had this for almost 10 years, you guys, with Crystal Clear Cosmetics. Bestseller. And then we have Sweet Spice, same thing, bestseller. Let's see what else we have. We have more Infinity Black Gel Eyeliner, and then I have the Liquid Eyeshadow in Rose Gold. It is back! I have lots of these, you guys. Everybody loves these, so I got a whole bunch. Let's go see what else. It's here! The lip balm. I'm going to show you one of these. These are so amazing. Let me get a chair. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are the most hydrating lip balms you'll ever use. So when you open it, it's got a nice little juicy tube here. I don't want to open it because I don't want to put any germs on it. But you'll see it in some of my videos. You guys, these are so freaking hydrating. You need this. This is exciting. A new product yet again. Mattifying Face Primer. Oh. Really excited to show you guys how this works. But this is great for oily skin types, filling fine pores, fine lines, and just making the skin just like a perfect base for the foundation. Super excited about this. Amazing ingredients. We will see this soon. Let's see what else we have. It's here. I'm so excited. This is a new lip color, and this is actually going to be mine. So I'm going to go ahead and open it because I've been waiting for this bad boy. Oh wait, this isn't it. Wrong one. This is such a pretty color. This is the LG13. Let's go find the new color. I'm really excited about it and I can't wait to show you. I'm still looking for the lip gloss, but in the meantime, we have my new makeup setting spray. This is a beautiful bottle, you guys. Check this out. And I love this stuff. It is so amazing. It makes your makeup last all day. And if you're like me and you have mature skin, it sets the makeup so the fine lines just kind of melt and everything just adheres and lasts super long. So the setting spray is a must. Still looking for that lip gloss. Oh, can you tell the eagerness? But this is another new product that I actually launched when I launched my website, and it sold so well that I actually got more of it. This is the makeup remover, and it has two different liquids here, and you shake it up and basically it removes all your makeup. So if you wear eyelash glue and like hard to take off makeup and you don't want to rub a lot, this is the stuff you want to use, and then use your foaming face wash. Let me see where that lip gloss is. I need to find it. I'm so excited. All right. Haven't found it yet, but I did find my new talc-free eyeshadow palettes. These are supposed to be so amazing and so silky. My old eyeshadows, nothing wrong with them, just different technology. Everything always changes, but look at this compact. This is really cute. Oh my god, I love it already. Look at that. Oh, this is really, really pretty. And then this comes out here like that. Look at those colors. So that one's the 101, and then we have 102. Let's open it up because this will be mine as well. Oh yes, this is what I'm talking about. Look how pretty those are. If you have really sensitive eyes and you're allergic to talc, which apparently a lot of people are, this will be a new eyeshadow palette that you can add to your collection. Let's see what else we have. I think I already carry this product. I have to check it out. But look how pretty that matte lip color is. I think this is Desire. More delightful matte liquid lipstick. I'm actually wearing it right now. and I put a smidge of lip gloss in the inside of my lips. Shimmer 01, that is the rose gold, really exciting. Here's another new product that I'll be adding to my website. This is the brush cleaner. So it comes in 2 different bottles. So this is the one bottle here. It's more simple, so you can kind of defer it from your other bottles. I think they put it in this bottle because, let me show you, your makeup spray comes in this guy, all right? And when I purchased the brush cleaner, they actually gave it to me in this guy. What will happen? I might spray this on my face, huh? So I asked them to give me a different color bottle, and that way I can kind of differentiate. I can't speak. I need a glass of wine. Oh yes, dual lash mascara, you guys, got lots. It's the 2 mascara that has the thickening wand all in one, and then you pull out the second wand on the same product, and it will lengthen your eyelashes. So if you don't want too much product, you want to comb out afterwards, that mascara has 2 wands. Pretty cool. Here it is, finally. Shut the front door. Oh my god. Shut up. I think I hit the mother load. This is mine. I'm gonna put it on right now. I have Delightful lip gloss on already, but I'm gonna look at it. Oh, shut up. Stop it. This is so, I wanna see. This is beautiful. It's got the gold in it. It's like nothing I've ever seen. I'm excited about this. This is beautiful. This is LG24, and it just makes my lips look super plump and beautiful. I'm so happy with this, you guys. This is my Christmas present. New color for Crystal Clear. All right, let's see what else we have. All right, looks like we have some more Revolt blush, and we have the more sophisticated blush. These are just so pretty. That one has like a nice little shimmer, and then we have more of the Shy Rose. Oh, this is my favorite. This is all right. More of the shimmer. Ooh, I'm so, can you tell I love my job? All right, so we have the gold liquid shimmer. We have the rose gold. What are we missing, guys? This is gonna be mine. Let's put it on. So excited. And I think I need a mirror just so, because I am blind and I don't want to be looking. So I'm going to take, this is my eyeshadow, the new eyeshadow that I already had, and let's put this silver on. I am so excited. So I kind of have like a bronzy look right now, so let's go ahead and just like do like a highlight in the center of the eye. And we'll just put a little bit here, going all the way up to give it kind of like a Hollywood look. Kind of that vintage 20s wet look. Ooh, I love it. Let's do one side over here, and then we'll do a second coat to see what it looks like. And I'm sure this makes a beautiful eyeliner as well. How exciting is this? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I know New Year's already passed, but this will be really pretty to wear for New Year's next year, like to actually party in. Look how pretty that is. And then let's do some, maybe like just like a little twinkle on the inside. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is gorgeous. Loving it. All right, so we have the rose gold, we have the liquid gold, and now we have the actual silver shimmer liquid eyeliner slash eyeshadow. So I just threw that on really quick, and it's like sticking and it's starting to dry. Normally I would keep my face kind of like smoothie face while it dries. Maybe fan my face. But let's see what else we have in this box. I'm so excited. Look at that, it's so pretty. And to finish it up, we have more of the diamond pencils, which would really pair up nicely with this shimmer on my eyes. This is a pencil that is like a silver kohl pencil, so it just glides on really easily. And This is concealer in the wand. So you have the pump option or you have the wand option. This was fun doing my unboxing, you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the new products. I'm loving this shimmer. It's so pretty. Happy New Year, and make sure you guys go to crystalclearbeauty.com and make sure that you follow me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all that jazz. Show this girl some support, and I will keep busting out these videos for you. Love you guys. Bye.